Welcome to the BTech Baba, and basically I am Asutosh Desai, and I am in electrical engineering. I have done my graduation in 2020 in electrical engineering from SUNIT. Get into this, like how you can crack an interview. What is the procedure? So first of all, how you can interview, right? How can you get into that? So you get a phone call as you that fill up the form, or if you consult your some relative working over there, friends, or anyway, you get a referral, you would get a phone call, and what would they ask you? Their first question would be tell me something about yourself, give me a brief introduction, what have you done till date? What would you say? This is the very important part in any interview. Every interviewer would ask you tell me something about yourself. the, this would be the first question. Definitely, I'm sure about that. I've gone almost 40 interviews till date, and everyone has asked this question, no matter what. This is the first question you need to face. Be ready for that. Be innovative. Bring something new, because they don't know what is written in your resume. You need to say something which they don't know. Whatever you have written in your resume, you don't need to tell them, because you can simply say that it is given into my resume, into your resume, and yeah, that's it. You say something else, what you are interested in, how you want to go ahead, what is your inspiration to do this. And yeah, if mostly people are from BTech background, so first question would be another question would be why do you want to pursue a career in BDA and sales? Why not a core field? Why not BDA? Be prepared for this all this question over a phone call. And yeah, obviously any interviewer from any company would ask you what do you know about our company? What do you know about their company? What do they do? So go to the application, download the application of Byju's and learn everything as you can. And that's all. You would definitely get selected after answering this many questions. And yeah, if you have any prior sales experience or not, it doesn't matter, but you need to be strong and firm and about your answers. Don't keep changing your answers. That is so much important. like uh, if they are repeating same question again and again, and you are changing your answers, this is not gonna work out. You need to be firm, because what this is what they need, and this is how they are going to decide your future at Byju's, right? So after the first call, if you clear the first call, you will be invited for the interview from the HR. The HR will be taking your interview. So this is not that simple. Each and every call are being recorded, and the HR, once you get selected, the superior of your interviewer would listen to your call or recordings, and then they decide still they want to if you are a right fit or not in their organization. Then you would get a call. Once you get a call for another interview, that would be a video call or a Zoom meeting. So you need to be prepared. They are going to ask same questions, but first three questions, as I said to you, tell me something, a brief introduction, and then what do you know about Byju's? Why do you want to join Byju's? And yes, be firm. Whether they keep changing you, keep asking the same question or not, be firm on your answers. Don't keep changing your answers, and prepare these questions and answers before going into the interview, because this is important, and you need to, whether it is Byju's or any company, you need to give these answers anywhere, right? And yes, another thing is here it starts everything. In the video call, they would tell you if you have any prior experience in sales or not. I was simply gonna say yes or no. If you have any experience in sale, they are going to talk to you in that sense. If you don't, then their questions would be different. So basically, we have most of us are freshers. So I'm going to tell you about that. How you can answer those their questions. Like what would be the questions? So questions would be like the simple questions. Like have you seen any sales movies, or have you heard those that questions sell me this pen, sell me the pen, and like that. These are the simple questions, but they are not gonna ask you like sell me this pen. They are going to ask you about your, like, when I gave my interview, I was wearing the same specs. Right now I'm wearing. I was wearing this optical, these very opticals, and this, she said to me, she asked to me basically, sell me these like opticals you are wearing, and she would counter your like arguments or what you are presenting, how you are presenting your how I was presenting my opticals. She was basically countering, giving me a counters why she don't buy it, and you need to be firm over there. Don't stop, keep thinking and keep answering, and don't bluff anything. Yeah, in any kind of interview, don't bluff. This is very much important. So how can I sell this? So yeah, if you are selling anyone, if you are a salesman or anywhere, if you are in a sales field, consider yourself and other person equal to you. You both are equal. Don't address them with like sir or ma'am, or tell them like hi Mr. Sa, Mrs. Sina, like that way. So try to get the name first. And at Byju's, you would be knowing the name from the lead side. They would be providing lead and number and everything. So directly you like address them with their names, like first name or last name, whatever you know, because this is the normal practice. And you are a salesman. That doesn't mean you are like below them. And at Byju's, you are going to be the education counselor. So you are basically like a counselor over there with parents. So what they are going to do with you, like they must be addressing you the sir or ma'am. So don't address them with sir or ma'am. And yes, so I was asked to like sell these specs to her, and I did it exactly. I whatever I knew from the sales, and read something about sales and watch videos about sales, how you can like sell some product or a phone call. There are so many phone call recordings of Byju's available on the like YouTube, and so many other companies sales structures are available. You need to go through that. And yeah, if your skills with you, that's very much fine. You know, then you don't require anything. You would manage like this is all about presence of mind. How you give your counterpart, how you give your replies to their questions or their arguments, and like how you make them buy. You are not pushing. You don't need to, when they ask anything to sell, like if he or she might ask you like sell your shirt to me or t-shirt to me, so you don't need to push them. You buy and buy because I am telling you. Why do they need to like believe you? Who are you? You are nothing to them, right? It's simple. So don't push. Give them a reasonable argument. Why how they would get benefited from buying this, how it might, how the product might help them. Anything they would say, they might say. And that's it. Your interview is done. And yeah, they might ask them, you would be going through like rapid fire questions. So one thing at Byju's or any sales organization is must: resilience. RESILIENC, resilience. What does it mean? Like it means in simple words, it means if you are facing a no for an answer, how would you come out of that part? How do you get recovered from the no? How do you take no as an answer? Do you feel depressed after getting a no from your prospect or client or not? Everyone feels. Anyone at any hierarchy level, everyone feels a little bit of depressed after facing a no. And we are not discussing about 100 rupees item or 1000 rupees shirt or jeans. We are discussing about 70,000, 80,000 rupees of courses. And these are the things you are going to sell. And learn about Byju's products before going into the interview, at least a bit. What do they provide? See some videos, watch some videos, you would get an idea what how their product look like, how they are different than others. That's who are their competitors. And yeah, they are going to ask you about their competition. So who, according to me, their competition is with like not Vedantu or any other Lido Learning or on Academy. They are not their competitors. Their main competitor is like offline learning schools and tuitions, and they are the major competitors. So learn about Byju's, learn about product. This is gonna help you, nothing else. So then and then only you can answer the questions, because they are not going to ask you much deeper into that. But this is the simple thing you must be knowing about any company before going to do the interview. So then, yeah, again, you went through some rapid fire questions. So as I said, what they would ask you, what is your strength, what is your weakness, and yes, they would tell you to rate yourself, like give a rating to yourself. So what would be the questions like? They would say you are introverts, give you a rating. One is high, one is low, five is high. So if you are introvert, highly introvert, you would say my rating is five. So being introvert in a sales, this is not gonna help. You need to be extrovert, you need to be open, talk to anyone. This way it works. How you, as I said, how you take no for an answer, how you go ahead, how you move on in life after some tragedy in your life. This is some kind of like things in your life, and this is gonna help you a lot in the future, because this might change your life. How to talk, how to behave, your personality would change after getting into the Byju's. So what are, once you get selected, once after answering all these questions, you would get selected for the third interview. This was the procedure when I gave an interview, but right now it is different. You won't get invited for a third interview. You would go under 15 days training period. They would tell you everything about the product, everything about how to make a call, how to give a demo, how to make a video call. They would tell you everything. They would brief you about everything, theoretically, practically, not with real clients, but in a practice with like your training manager and your colleagues or your peers. You would practice with them, you would make a presentation and you would give a presentation to them. These are our products. They would everything, they would tell you everything about Byju's tablet learning program, Byju's classes, and everything you would get to know over there in the 15 days training period. And then again, your third interview will happen. Now you are fully prepared for the third interview. As said to you, you must be knowing about the like pricing and what are the stages for the, they would tell you everything in that 15 days period. So what would you learn over there? You would learn about product as well as their pricing details. What are their prices? How do they give a demo? How you are going to make a phone call to your prospect? This is it. They would tell you everything. Your training manager would tell you everything. You need to make a PPT and present them. You need to give they would give you some recordings available with them, and you need to find some flaws in that in those recordings, and make a PPT about that and present them to your training manager, and they would decide. They would give you definitely they would gonna give you a marks, and you are being supervised for that like 15 days. You are under observation. After that, you would go to third interview, and they would, now you are on at top. You know everything about Byju's, how to make a call, how to generate a repo. You need to generate a repo with your prospect first. Then only he or she would listen to you. Why anyone is going to listen to you? He or she must believe in you. So then you are going to, then after building a repo, then only they would like talk to you. Then you, what would you do? You would just invite them for an that your Zoom meeting, and Zoom meeting will go in a different way, or direct calling. You would get an address from them and you would visit them at the particular place, and there would be your like student and their parents. Both of their parents would be there, and you would discuss with them, and you would try to close them on spot and bring the revenue to the company. So this is all about what you are going to learn in that particular 15 days training period. And after that training, you would go under an interview again. So there they are going to ask you about everything, like whatever you have learned, and all those questions that I asked to you earlier, like sell me. Now this is not gonna be like sell me your t-shirt or sell me your opticals. This is gonna be like sell me this product. He or she might ask you like, I am like a single mother, and my daughter is in like her daughter is in like fifth standard, and now sell me your product. Consider me your prospect or client, future client. Prospect is like you might see your future client, like you can get it converted. So that is called prospect. So that way it works. So she is a you need then you need to make a phone call to her. Like she is a mother, not your interviewer. She is a mother, and she is a daughter of like who is in fifth standard, and you would call her, and that's it. And there is single mother, and you are gonna face lot of problems, because single mother has like financial issues. Whatever intentions they have, like whatever how much they want to like buy juice or went through buy juice. So basically keep in mind, you are not like salesman, you are education counselor. You are not going to push, you are going to generate a need. Why do they need buy juice? Why why this? Why Byju's? Why Byju's is the only option, only way? You are going to show them. Then only you would be able to like take an interview, and then you would finally come to the final stage. That would be a 4 week. In my time, it was 6 weeks uh, training period. After 15 days theoretical training, it was my practical training. In that unit, I needed to like bring the generate a revenue of 2 lakhs in 6 weeks of span, and I did it. My first 3 weeks I was at zero, but in my fourth and fifth week, like not four and fully fifth, half fifth, well, in just 9 days or 10 days of span, I brought like 2 lakhs of revenue. I did three sales in just 9 days. Six, first one was like 85,000, second 50,000, third 65,000. So you need to like do this and this like that. But for you it would be a period of 4 weeks. You need to do two sales, that's it, in 4 weeks, and your job is done. You are getting promoted to business development associate from the business development trainee. But the major thing is you need to be resilient. You would face a no for an answer, and taking no is very difficult, I know. Personally, I am telling you. So be prepared for that. Taking a no, you would feel depressed, but forget all those things and go ahead. Call on the next day. What my like I remembered one thing. So what was that? What is that? I keep in mind. What is that? So that is if I know after dialing 10 calls, I am getting one lead converted into the final sale. So I know after every 10 calls I would get one sale. So here is the same at Byju's, but here you need to dial 100 calls every day. You need to do a talk time of 2 hours every day, and that's simply it can be done easily. And after a training of 15 days, you would do like this way easily. It would be like your left hand job. There is nothing big in doing 2 hours of calling and talking to 100 clients, because everyone won't pick up your call. After dialing 100 calls, only 30 to 40% would pick up your call, and 20 to 25 would listen to you. So that's the thing. That's why you need to dial more calls, because many people won't pick up. Many few won't like be available, like might be busy somewhere, and would tell you to call like in the afternoon or in the morning, tomorrow, day after tomorrow. They are out of station. Those might be excuses, and they would tell you how to use a CRM. That is a platform. How you manage your like leads, prospects. How you manage everything over there. They would teach you everything, each and every bit about that in the 15 days trial period, and you would practically use it when you are into like field in the after 15 days for 4 weeks. So that's it. and best of luck with your journey at Byju's and training period. And let's bid goodbye and best of luck for your interview. And please share and comment the video. And thanks again.